All right, I'm Jessica Sandey. I'm going to be doing my presentation on the first day of school. We've all experienced the first day of school as students, and I'm going to kind of teach you how to do it, I guess, better and for when you're a teacher. So, first day of school. So, what's wrong with it now? Teachers, especially the ones who have been teaching for a really long time, the really old guys, they aren't motivated enough. They go and they're standing up there like, all right, this is the 7th time I've done this today. I'm going to read the syllabus. Here's what you can do. Here's what you can't do. Goodbye. And that's the first day. And students don't take enough away from the first day. And then every class period is the same for them except for like the one really cool teacher, which hopefully we will all be. So some tips that I found out were have really, really good energy. So you have to stay positive during the entire class, and you have to, I know it could be hard if you do it 7 times in the day, but if you're really passionate about what you're talking about, then you will have no problem with staying positive. And if you're excited about what you're talking about, you're going to get the students excited. And I did some research on it, like I said, and if you are motivated on the first day of class, and you're excited and passionate about it, then the students will be, and then you'll be the cool teacher. And research shows that the kids actually get better grades in that class because they paid so much attention to it and they were excited about it. So have really good energy on the first day, and that helps out in the long run for sure. Another thing is connections on the first day. If you connect with your students really well, and if the class connects really well with each other, then your class altogether will have a really good turnout by the end of the year. Activities you can do for that is do a little biography, kind of like we did, or one of my teachers in high school, they had everyone make little ID cards and then they kind of explain it, or just do introductions going around the room of something really cool about them, and it just gets everyone to kind of get to know each other. So keeping class interesting on the first day is something that teachers kind of need to work on, and hopefully we do better. I don't like it personally when the teacher does sit up there and tell us word for word what's on the syllabus. Like, it's sitting in front of us, we do know how to read, and we're going to have it the whole entire semester, so there it is. So some things you could do is make a game out of it. Like, you could do Jeopardy, like have everyone read over it really quick and then play a game, or like just something on what's on the syllabus, what's the important things on it, or just go over it on day 2. Have everyone read over it and do something completely different throughout the class period, and then if anyone has any questions on day 2, they can ask them. So another thing is doing breakouts. Like our class, I love how it's set up. You can easily talk to people in the class and get to know them better. So having like a questionnaire or sort of a pre-test for what's going to be going on during the class. Like if you're teaching a science class, have everyone do a survey on like what they already know, and then that gives you an opportunity to see what kids know and what kids don't know, and what you need to work on during the class, and then have everyone talk about the stuff in small groups, and then come back as a big class discussion. And then you get to also see who's going to be the talkers of the class, who's shy, who you need to kind of pick on more because you can, and it makes class more fun. So in conclusion, kind of keep everything exciting during class. Research shows you have a better class if you're motivated and you get things done in a more exciting way. So kids get better grades, you have a funner class, and people like you more. So stay excited, stay passionate, and keep your class exciting on the first day. It'll really benefit the long run.